Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Auth0 for multi-tenant login in Node.js, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin configuring Auth0 for multi-tenant login in Node.js, start by creating an Auth0 account if you don't already have one. Log in to your Auth0 dashboard. Navigate to the Applications section and click on Create Application. Choose a name for your application and select the type as Regular Web Application. Once your application is created, go to the Settings tab. In the settings, note down your domain, client ID, and client secret. Next, navigate to the API section in the Auth0 dashboard. Click on Create API to define a new API for your application. Give your API a name and define an identifier for it. Now, set up the permissions as needed for your multi-tenant architecture. Return to the Applications section and open your created application again. In the Application settings, scroll down to the Allowed Callback URLs field. Add the URL where your app will handle the callback after authentication. Ensure to include URLs for all your tenant subdomains. Proceed to the Allowed Logout URLs and Allowed Web Origins sections. Make sure to list all domains that your application will serve. Next, let's implement the Node.js server. Create a new Node.js project by running npm init in your terminal. Install the required packages by using npm install express.env John Web Token JWKSRSA. Create a .env file in your project directory. In the .env file, add your Auth0 domain and client ID values. Create a new file named server.js. In server.js, import the necessary modules including express.env and the JWT libraries. Set up your Express application and configure middleware. Next, create a route that handles the login process using the Auth0 authentication endpoint. For multi-tenancy, capture the tenant subdomain from the request. Add logic to authenticate users based on their tenant information. Develop a method to manage user sessions after successful authentication. Handle the callback route to process the Auth0 response. Implement error handling for cases of authentication failure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.